she loves you, and you know you should be glad. She said you